The Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission presents JADCO and you. Empowering our athletes. That was the conversation brought to the fore at the recently held Senior Athletes Anti-Doping Education Workshop at the Terra Nova All-Suite Hotel. The seminar was a call to action and reminder that true empowerment doesn't come from shortcuts or taking the easy road, but from the strength to push oneself beyond limits with dedication, discipline, and a firm commitment to doing the right thing, even when no one is looking.
While Jamaica is not known to have a doping culture, Jamaica cannot drop the ball in ensuring our athletes are educated and tested in accordance with the standards stipulated by the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA. It is imperative that we maintain a level playing field. Our mission is to ensure we help to preserve the integrity of such a great sporting nation for decades. Certainly, the onus is not only on JADCO, but on all athletes and support personnel to make this a reality.
Defeating mental health issues is critical in the empowerment of athletes. Hence, this had to be part of the discussion.
Empowering our athletes is not just about ensuring they train, eat properly, are well rested, and stay away from drugs. We empower by also ensuring that attention is paid to their mental health and the pressure to perform. Now, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the coaches and support staff in the room today. You are just as vital in this mission as the athletes themselves. You're the ones who build the foundation, who instill values, who teach your athletes to rise after every fall.
Reaffirming the importance of a strong support system was Olympian Chad Wright, who briefly outlined his athletic journey and how he continues to overcome challenges.
One of my biggest dreams was going to the Olympics, and it started in 2008. And throughout those years, 2012 Olympics, 2016 Olympics, I never made those teams, but I kept trying until I qualified for the 2021 Olympics. And throughout that time, I've had a lot of challenges, and surprisingly, I beat all of them. It wasn't easy. Thankfully, throughout those years, I've had several teams around me and several coaches to help me through it.
He added that affirmations and timely anti-doping information are important to protecting one's mental health.
One of the things I've learned, especially for mental health, is speaking life into yourself. Speaking positive about yourself, regardless of how bad you might have performed at a track meet or a competition. You speak life into yourself, you speak life into your teammates. All right? And another thing I've always repeated to myself is, it's like a mantra, is I can, I will, I must.
Support personnel and other senior athletes also lauded JADCO's mental health emphasis at the workshop.
Mental health is definitely a big part of the sport. As you know, dieting and everything does affect your hormones, so your mental health does go challenged. So, I think it really speaks to sporting in general.
Well, it has actually been eye-opening for me, and I think it's a great and it's an excellent opportunity for us, persons that are not doing sports or play sports, persons that are not sports related. At least it can shed some light and we have some knowledge on it too.
I learned a lot of stuff I didn't know coming into the event, so it was very informative.
There's a misconception that persons with mental health issues look a certain way and are not usually persons in clean clothes, who participate in sports. So very good that they touched on it, resonated well with myself as well.
To learn more about the fight against doping in sport, contact JADCO at 876-929-3500 or visit its office at Balata Multiplex, 1 Balata Avenue, Kingston 10. You may also log on to its website at jadco.gov.jm. Feel free to check out the Commission's Facebook, Instagram, and X pages. JADCO and You was brought to you by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission.